Okay, hi, Terry from Jetmac. Just a wee quick video just to show you of the package here, what all you get, and show you how the machine runs and stuff. This is the Loncin 14 horsepower belt driven 21 litre a minute machine, 3000 psi. As I say, flow rate is very important when you're running rotaries and stuff. The more flow the machine has, the faster it'll spin. So get the machine, two 10-meter hoses, or turbo nozzle, and this is your 18-inch rotary here. So let's just start the thing up. Again, quick release couplings. That's just to that. And then goes to that. Then your suction hose. This is the feed to the machine. Obviously that's a hose extension, so you can just, if you need to extend the hose, you can just extend the gap, but for the purpose of this video we'll just keep it simple with just a 10-meter hose. That's basically you there. Don't need the lamp. Let's get the machine going. Everything quick release, which is absolutely fantastic when you go to put the machine away. So the job's over, it's just a matter of clicking that out. You can take these pins out here, fold the machine up. There's another pin here, take it out. Okay. All that folds up. The only thing maintenance you really have to do in this rotary is a bit of grease here from time to time. Suction hose, quick release. All this, quick release. And that's it. So thanks for viewing. That's just a wee quick video just to show you. Thank you very much. Bye for now.